Have you been wondering how YouTubers add the subscribe button animations to their videos? Stick around and watch this video till the end as I show you how to add the subscribe button animation using Inshot mobile editing app for Android phones and iPhones. Hi, my name is Beulah Olarinde. Welcome to my channel. I make how to do it yourself and tutorial videos on this channel. If you find value in this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more valuable content like this one. I made a video a few months ago on how to add YouTube subscribe button animation to videos, but that was before the Inshot app was updated.
Now, let's add the subscribe animation. You get the full length and audio.
Now, the Inshot app has the PIP and chroma features. You can now remove green screen background with chroma. This is very easy to do. If you don't have the Inshot app installed yet, visit the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store to download it now. If you have the app, make sure you update to the latest version to be able to make use of this feature. I am going to download the animated subscribe button video that has a green background here on Pixabay. All you have to do is just go to Google and type animated subscribe button video. You will see a lot of them that you can download. After the video has downloaded, I am going to go to a video I am editing using the Inshot app so that I can add the animated subscribe button. To add the animated subscribe button, tap PIP and import the green screen animated subscribe button. Click on chroma and use the color picker to remove the green screen. Then adjust strength and shadows to make it better. Now, can you see how you can achieve that? You can do this on the free version of Inshot. If this video helped, please like this video, comment in the comment section, share with your family and friends, and subscribe to my channel, and also turn on the notification bell to get notified anytime I drop a new video. If you have a video idea, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.